Hello, my dear kids. A very good morning to you all. So, welcome you all in English session. So, today we are going to start with a new chapter in grammar, that is comparison using adjectives, or you can say degrees of comparison of adjectives. Okay. First of all, students, let's see what is comparison of adjectives, right? An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with other. It is called the degree of comparative of an adjective. Okay, so students, there are three degrees of comparison, that is first positive degree, second comparative degree, and the third is superlative degree. Okay, now let's see three of the degrees in detail and with the examples. Okay, let's start with the first one, that is positive degree. The positive degree is used to refer to one object, person, place without making any comparison. Okay. Positive degree simply denotes the existence of some kind of quality in the person or thing we speak about. Okay, यहाँ पॉजिटिव में क्या होता है, किसी के बारे में कंपैरिजन नहीं होता. जैसे कि cow is a big animal, or you can say Ria is tall in the class. Okay, so there is no there is only simply you can say object or person we are talking about. There is no comparison. Okay, now let's see the second one, that is comparative degree. The comparative degree refers to a greater degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree. It is used to compare two objects, people or places. Okay, comparative degree दो person, place या object के comparison में use होता है. Okay, for example, हर हाउस इज बिगर देन मी, मतलब दो हाउस का कंपैरिजन है. ओके, और यू कैन से आई एम टॉलर देन यू. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. The superlative degree refers to the greatest degree of adjective. It is used to compare more than two object, place or people. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हिज हाउस इज बिगेस्ट ऑफ ऑल. ओके, यहाँ पे सुपरलेटिव में क्या होता है, दो से ज़्यादा कंपैरिजन होता है. ओके, रिमेंबर पॉजिटिव मीन्स सिंपल, नो कंपैरिजन. इन कंपैरेटिव वी डू द कंपैरिजन ऑफ टू पर्सन, ऑब्जेक्ट और प्लेस, एंड इन सुपरलेटिव वी डू द कंपैरिजन मोर देन टू पर्सन, टू प्लेस और थिंग. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल elephant is the biggest animal, or you can say his house is biggest of all. I am the tallest student in class. Okay, now there are some you can say rule that you have to remember, and that is compulsory. In superlative, positive and comparative, you have to follow some such rules that some rules we have already done in singular and plural now, right? So some it's not similar, but that type of rule that you have to remember in your mind. Okay, and my dear kids, one more thing that you have to remember, that is when we use than with a comparative degree and use the with a superlative डिग्री. ओके, ये हमेशा याद रखना है कि देन हम कंपैरेटिव के साथ ही यूज़ करते हैं और द सुपरलेटिव के साथ यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मोहन इज शॉर्टर देन रिक्की. ओके, फाल्गुनी इज द शॉर्टेस्ट गर्ल इन द class. Okay, like this way. Now let's start. Okay, first one. We add er and est to most one or two syllable words that end in consonants. Okay, for example, dull, duller, dullest. Or you can say Adam is stronger than Sam. You can see this example that in comparative degree we are using than, and in superlative Kelly is the strongest. Okay, so we have used here the. Okay, in simple, or you can say we have to add er in comparative and est in a superlative degree. Okay, second. Okay, next is when the positive ends in e, we just add only r or st to the adjectives. For example, large, larger, largest. Okay, let's see with the example. The elephant is larger than the cat. The whale is the largest animal. Okay, जो वर्ड ई से एंड होता है उसको हमें सिर्फ कंपेरेटिव बनाना है तो आर ऐड करना है, और सुपरलेटिव बनाना है तो एस टी. ओके, वन मोर एग्जाम्पल आई विल गिव, दैट इज क्लोज, क्लोजर, closest. Okay, now let's see the rule number 3, that is when the positive ends in consonant y, we drop the y and add ier or iest. Okay, अगर y से वर्ड एंड होता है तो हमें y निकाल के ier, कंपैरेटिव के लिए ier ऐड करना है और सुपरलेटिव के लिए iest. ओके, जैसे कि लकी, luckier, luckiest, happy, happier, happiest, pretty, prettier, prettiest. Okay, let's see with the sentence example. Jason is happier than Sarah. Jasmine is the happiest. Now next rule, that is rule number 4. When the positive is a word of one syllable that ends in vowel or consonant, we double the ending consonant and then add er and est. Okay, अगर word consonant है या short vowel है, okay, one syllable में है तो उसको जैसे कि जी, तो उसको डबल जी करना है, उसका लेटर डबल करना है और बाद में ई आर और ई एस टी ऐड करना है. जैसे कि बिग, बिगर, बिगेस्ट, तो पॉजिटिव में बिग ही आएगा, कंपैरेटिव में जी डबल हो जाएगा, और बिगेस्ट में भी डबल जी और लास्ट में ई एस टी. जैसे कि रेड, रेडर, रेडेस्ट, और यू कैन से हॉट, हॉटर, hottest. Okay, now rule number 5. When the positive is long, that is a word of 2 or more syllables, we add more and most before the adjectives to form comparative and superlative degree. Okay, जैसे कि useful, so we will add more useful for comparative, and for superlative we will add most useful. Let's see more example. जैसे कि expensive, more expensive and most expensive. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent, or you can say beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Okay, now let's see the last rule of this comparison of adjectives, that is there are some adjectives that do not form the comparatives and superlatives from their positives. They have irregular degrees of comparison. Okay, मीन्स यू कैन से हम उसमें ई आर या ई एस टी ऐड नहीं करना है, पूरा ही कंपैरेटिव और सुपरलेटिव चेंज होता है. जैसे कि गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट. ओके, or you can say little, less, least. Right. I hope you understood the video very well. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day. Bye.